recondite, something scintillating. Proceed, sir.
So I'm going to attempt to scintillate you. I worked for a company for 33 plus years. I walked up to and drove up to a company, and 4 peacocks were on the property of this business. And they approached me, Lionel. I'm not kidding. I am now circled by 4 large peacocks. I don't have peacock information. I think you do. You must know a lot about peacocks, but I didn't. Am I going to get chewed up? Am I going to get killed? What the heck? This true story. True, honest-to-God story.
Oh, my God. This guy's...
What would you have done? I got out of my car. I tried to get into the business. Am I there?
You are there, sir. I am riveted.
You. I was literally like 5 feet away from the entrance to this business. The location, stay with me, Jericho, Long Island. This was a very old building going back hundreds of years ago in this beautiful area called Jericho, Long Island. And everybody knows who's on Long Island. I'm not making this up. The Underground Railroad went through this territory. And there has been a battle over the years between the locals and the government. It's all financial. A lot of people want those buildings destroyed, but a lot of people, for historical reasons, want that open. So I am now standing with my tush backed against my car, just doing business for the first time, and there are now 4 or 5 peacocks. I'm not kidding.
What do you think is the significance of the peacocks? What do you think? Does it mean anything? Is this inherent, endemic to the indigenous to this area? Were these? I don't understand. What do you think this means, if anything?
Can I tell you? My first thought was, I don't see any fencing. I don't see any security. These are literally wild, huge birds.
Right.
Where are they coming from? And I found out when Lionel, I swear to you, I'm not kidding.
I believe you.
My tush is against my car.
I understand this. Where did they come from?
And I talked to them because I don't know what they're going to do. Are they going to hurt me? And
did we find out where they are from? Did we find out where they are from?
No, what I
Is there
found
some
out
story?
I swear to you, when I found out and I saw...
What did you find out?
That there was a woman, all of a sudden they showed up, and some woman has been feeding these.
Yes.
What the hell do peacocks eat? I don't think peacocks eat spaghetti and meatballs. What the hell was she? Lionel, I'm not kidding. This was fantastic, but I survived it.
Oh my God.